Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back again. We got your Lord back Ben. Akwenia College. The lesson of today, we will change from English to Dinka language. Let us start from 1. 1. April. The month of April in Dinka is called Akanti. Akanti. Akanti, or simply you call it Penguan. Penguan. This is common name. Penguan is very common, but Akanti is a real name. Number two. Sorry, this is a wrong spelling. It's called Ruwad. Yes, Ruwad is Aryup. Aryup. Ruwad, to reward someone in Baryop. Catfish. Catfish in Dinka is called Atake. Atake. 4. Dom palm. Dom palm in Dinka is called Atwek. Atwek. A-ta-u-ek. Atwek. Number 5. Akap. Akap in Dinka is called Awutik. Awutik or Atiktik. Atiktik, especially in a will, you always hear a negative tik. Atiktik. Akap is called Atiktik or Awutik. Number 6. Lob is called Near. Na i era. Near in Dinka is called Lob in English. Mucus in Dinka is called Ator. A-ta-u-ora. Ator. Gonorrhea in Dinka is called Pajol. It's called gonorrhea. Happiness is called Mietpo. Happiness, Mietpo. Luckiness in Dinka is called Mietgup. Luckiness. Lucky mean Dwar. I'm very lucky to get my cow. And Chugub Dwar, Wang the yoke, or you all say, and Chugub Miet, Wang the yoke, Wang the Chamar. So it's the same. But Dwar, Nela use lucky Dwar. Guitar in Dinka is called Tom. Tom. Then write the year 2013 in Dinka. It should be like this. Ruan Tim Karo Kutiar Kudiak Nyal. Ruan Tim Karo Kutiar Kudiak. Ruan Tim Karo Kutiar Kudiak. That is year 2013. Ruan mean year, and Tim Karo mean 2000. Kutiar Kudiak an kumin an. Tiar mean 10. Diak mean 3. Year 2013 mean Ron Tim Karo Tiar Kudiak. Then this is number 2013. In Dinka is Tim Karo Kutiar Kudiak. Team Karo, Kutiar Kudiak. You see, we only left this one, Ruan. We only left Ruan out. And because we are not talking of year, we are talking of numbers. So it should be Team Karo, Kutiar, Kudiak. If it is year, it should be year like Ruan, Team Karo, Kutiar, Kudiak. Yenakan, the end by William Bajak, a deputy Tongyang. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also go to our YouTube. Our TikTok. The name of our TikTok is called Dinka with Majak. We also have our Facebook page, which is written Dinka Will Dialogue. Please go there, follow us, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Peace of God with you. We shall meet in next lessons. I'm William. Bye bye.